In the world of app and software reviews, a tiny team reveals how real user feedback reshapes development. Their method combines field testing, crash reports, and sentiment analysis to map improvements that charts and DMOS miss. A recent case study follows a lightweight collaboration tool where reviewers flagged sync conflicts and offline quirks. The team translates every jot into a concrete release plan, prioritizing reliability, accessibility, and privacy over flashy features. Ultimately, the video argues that honest reviews drive accountable software by aligning user needs with measurable product outcomes globally.